Hey, it's Sam with CMC Triggers and Santan Tactical, coming at you from SHOT Show 2026. I just wanted to run through some of the new products that we're bringing out for 2026 this year, and we're going to start over here with the 2011s. Over here, you have the Valley 9. We have a Commander model, and then we're going to have a full-size model. So full-size model is coming out first. This is going to be shipping in the should be mid Q1, worst case Q2. The entirety of the pistol is made in-house in Fort Worth. We're using MJD grips. Stippling on the handgun was done intentionally. We modeled it off of placement on the hand for racking the slide. Like I said, shipping Q1, $32.99 MSRP on the handgun. It is lifetime warranted, and we're gonna still honor warranty if it's gunsmith, but it needs to be done with a gunsmith. The Commander model is gonna release Q4, and that should be right at the start of Q4. We're still kind of prototyping, so there are some changes that might happen, i.e. iron sights or no iron sights. We're trying to work through that right now. The next thing I would want to cover is going to be the forged line. So we have the forged line guns from Santan. So standard forged receiver set, non-ambi controls this time. We'll be shipping with a wedge lock rail, which is made by CMC, and a carbine buffer system with a enhanced mil-spec trigger. Price point on this, MSRP is $11.99 and mapping right around $9.99. And then the last thing to really bring up is the new prototype Santan V2 rifle. We currently don't have pricing on this or a release date. This is prototype number 1, but this is a 90% solution to what you're gonna see from us here in the next couple months. The rail is gonna change. We're gonna go to a different design on the rail, but other than that, this is the gun that you're gonna see. We moved the forward assist forward. We reduced the size of the deflector and updated some of the fencing for the ambi controls. We went away from the pocket cuts that were previously being used with Santan, went to facets, and smoothed out the receivers completely. So all this stuff is coming 2026. Everything's made in Fort Worth. Everything is made in-house in Texas, and we're happy to be producing some really cool stuff. So look forward to bringing out some really cool things this year. And one of the last things that we're gonna bring out is gonna be the RAL 8000 6-arc rifle. So we're going to be offering this in a 16, a 14.5, and potentially an 18. We're still working through barrel lengths, but this will be a offering, likely an RSR exclusive. We're still working through that, but this is going to be on the market here in the next month or two. So please check it out. If you guys are in the market for some cool ambi guns, please give us a chance.